Hello everyone, welcome to the art tutorial channel of artist Azaru. Today's artwork might look a little difficult at first, but trust me, once we start drawing together, you'll see how fun and easy it is really. I'll explain every steps clearly, so all you have to do is just pick up your pencils and make sure your eraser is nearby. So let's jump into the video. Step 1. Draw the grid lines. Before we begin, let's carefully draw the grid lines using the exact measurements shown in the video. Keep each line light and evenly spaced, as this will make it much easier to sketch the artwork accurately. Once your grid is completed, now we can begin our amazing artwork for today. Step 2. Erase the grid lines and darken the drawing. Once the basic drawing is completed, gently erase the grid lines, then darken your drawing to make the outline clearer and proper, followed by this video.
important details and finalize the drawing. Now it's time to refine the outline and add all important details and complete the final touches to finish our drawing of this video.
If you enjoy drawing with me, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Artist Azaru and turn on notifications bell so you don't miss the next video. And join me as we complete all 100 anime character drawings, one character at a time. So, see you in the next challenge. Bye bye.